But there's one other contemplation that our forebears who built the bridge 150 years ago would not have thought about. And that is the issue of climate change. Our climate, my friends, is changing in ways that are creating more frequent and more intense weather events. But not only is the climate changing, the way in which we use our environment is impacting how the environment behaves, if you want to use a term like that. I want all of you to stop and think. Every slab roof or zinc roof that you put up, every mile of road that you pave, every tree that you cut down to create a field, leaves water to run off to somewhere. Where is it going to go? Is it going to run on the roads, where it ends up anywhere? Does it go into drains where it is guided into a stream or a river? Or is it going to percolate naturally into the soil? Well, as we expand our use of lands to build houses and factories and schools and hospitals and roadways, and as the climate is getting hotter,